glad, pleased, pleased, delighted. 1. Causing happiness, pleasing, welcome, happy, joyful, delightful, cheering, heartwarming, heartening, gratifying, gladsome. Number 2, grateful. Pleased, happy, delighted, as pleased, as sponge, well pleased, thrilled, overjoyed, cock of hoop, elated, like a dog with two tails, like a child with a new toy, gleeful, satisfied, contented, gratified, grateful, thankful, tickled pink, over the moon, as happy as a Larry, chuffed, made up, as happy as a clam, wrapped, gruntled, more than willing, eager, happy, pleased, delighted, ready, prepared, nothing loath, game.